Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to check out the Recycled because they're going crazy. They have 50% off of everything. They have so many deals down there right now, so I have to check it out, everything. And I'm almost there, about 10 meters. So I'm there right now. Outside of Recycled. So that's pretty cool. Got movies down here, all the way. Let's check out what they have in there now. Look at this, they got boxes everywhere filled up with movies. Everything is 50% off. Because some of the old blockbusters or Recycled are closing down, so they just move all the rest over here. Oh, they have Welcome to the Jungle. I'm definitely gonna get this one. Some of them are in 30 kroner and that's 15 kroner, and it's very, very cheap. So I'm gonna check everything out in here and see if there's anything good. And down here too. It's very, very cool. Okay, I got this app for my phone, so I have registered all my movies in here. So if I find something, and I'm not sure if I have it or don't, then I can check it out in here. So right now, just check this out. Definitely gonna pick this one, that one out too. So yes, as you can see, there's so many boxes, and I just found 4 more down here at the floor. The price is very, very good. Found a little bit, but not much. But see if there's more. Danish movies. There's some box sets here, but I don't see any Blu-ray box sets. So there's here. CSI. The Bourne Identity. All 4 movies. Band Brothers. I don't really know that one. Breaking Bad, of course. Awesome movie. Awesome series. Okay, I'm done with the shopping, and I'm pretty sure that I got some pretty good deals in there. Got a bag right here, filled up with movies that I'm gonna show you when I come home. So let's get back home now. Oh, haha, lucky me. It started raining. But let's see what movies I got. Well, the first movie I picked up is called Matador. It's an old Danish movie from, I think it's 25 years now. It's 26. It's from the period around World War II. And it's about this guy, Mads, who wants to go to a town and wants to open a clothing store, and he gets refused for the fundings of the opening the store. So he goes to other sources and open the store, and in time he completely takes over the town. He opens his own bank. He's got, of course, the clothing store is getting bigger and bigger. It's a very, very nice movie. It's 24 episodes, and each one of them is around 46 minutes. That's a pretty good one. The next one I got is called the Band of Brothers. I've seen it in so many years now in the stores. The first time I saw it was on DVD. So I saw it in the Blockbuster for on Blu-ray. So I got it. I think I paid, I don't know, the price is here. So this is very, very nice. I'm really looking forward to see this. Haven't heard anything about it. I have seen many people open it up and take a look inside. This is great, you know. So this is very awesome. I got this one. And then I got some Blu-rays. This one's called The Good, The Bad, The Weird. I don't know anything about it, but the cover just looks awesome, and it's in the West, so nothing can go wrong with that one, I'm sure. So yes, The Good, The Bad, The Weird, and it's so cheap. I'm pretty sure I'll go down there one more time. And the next one I got is called the Paranormal Activity, the Mark Ones. I haven't seen it, I haven't heard about it. I think Brandon Wishow did mention something about it, but I don't remember it. I think he said it was pretty good. So let's hope for that. The Mark One. And the first thing I saw when I was down there was, of course, Welcome to the Jungle. And starring Jean-Claude Van Damme. It's not possible to get this one in Denmark in the stores. It has not been released here in Denmark. Not of my knowledge, it hasn't. But I saw it in this 50% off, so it's very good. Welcome to the Jungle with Chokra Van Damme. I really adore Chokra Van Damme. I think he's awesome. He's very, very talented with his martial arts and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And then I got the Decent 2. I haven't seen it. I've seen the first one. This I think was pretty good. So I'm really looking forward to see this one. It's called Decent 2 Back to Hell, I think. Or it's just a part 2, but it says here in the front cover, it's the Danish cover, it says Back to Hell. Get back there, get back now, come on, do it. And the last one I got is also a Danish one. It's called All for One in Danish. I mean in English, so in Danish it will be Alle for En. So, this Danish movie, I don't know anything about it. I heard it should be good. Can't say anything about it, but let's hope it's good. That's pretty much it, what I got today down at Recycle It, also known as Blockbuster, which also is going to change the name one more time to something blue, because they're selling so much Blu-rays because of me. I'm there almost every day just to see what they have. You can find something spectacular. I got it, I get it. So until next time, I see you around.